I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Selenium Manager in Java. Selenium Manager is a powerful, built-in tool designed to streamline your test automation. It automatically detects and downloads the correct browser drivers for you, eliminating the need for manual setup. This means you can focus more on writing effective tests and less on environment configuration, saving you valuable time and effort in your development workflow. To begin, you'll need to set up your Java project. If you're using Maven, add the Selenium Java dependency to your pom.xml file. For Gradle users, include the dependency in your build.gradle file. It's crucial to use a Selenium WebDriver version that includes Selenium Manager, typically version 4.6.0 or newer. This ensures the automatic driver management features are available and ready to use. Once your project is set up, using Selenium Manager in your code is incredibly straightforward. You simply instantiate your WebDriver object, for example, new Chrome driver parenthesis. Selenium Manager will then automatically locate, download, and configure the appropriate browser driver in the background. There's no need for system.setProperty calls or managing driver paths manually, making your code cleaner and much more portable across different machines. The benefits of using Selenium Manager are significant. You gain consistent driver management, reducing setup time for new projects and team members. For best practices, always ensure you are using the latest stable version of Selenium WebDriver to leverage the newest features and bug fixes. Regularly updating your project dependencies will keep your automation robust and efficient, ensuring smooth and reliable test execution every time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.